Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home.
Fillet of pork are available at any market. They are relatively inexpensive. They are very tender, very moist, very lean. And here I'm going to show you how to make two steaks. This is about 10 ounces, so each one is about 5 ounces. And so salt, pepper on top of it. And we put it to cook in the butter. And I will cover it at least partially like this, so it doesn't splatter too much. And cook them, I would say those are about 1.25 inches, an inch, a good like 3 minutes on each side. Then we'll do a sauce with prune. Pork and prune go very well together. And I have about 10-12 prune here. About half a cup of V8 or tomato juice you can use, and some garlic. Yeah, I can grate the garlic on this here. Yeah, or you can chop it by hand. So you see, I have a good 2 teaspoons maybe of garlic. Okay, so those, as you see, are pretty thick. They cook a good 4 minutes on each side. I'm going to put them here to rest while we make the sauce. The garlic first. You bring to the burner for like 15-20 seconds. You don't want it to burn. And then I put the tomato and the prune. And we want to bring that to a boil. And just boil it maybe a minute gently for the prune to soften. They are soft already. I put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I could have put it with the garlic at the beginning. And that would be good, of course, with a pasta or a rice or something like that. A bit of shag on top. And here we are, our fillet of pork with prune and tomato sauce. Happy cooking.